Hi, welcome to MarineMax, Cumming, Georgia. We're on Lake Lanier. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler Dauntless 270. This boat is equipped with a new Verado 350. It has the dive platform door, which I'm standing on right at the moment. It has the traditional rear seat that all whalers have of this style of boat. Back here you've got a live well behind your seat. Sink, cup holders, rod holders everywhere, rod holders across the back. Also got a tow bar built into this boat, which can be taken out and removed when it's in the way. This boat also has the extended shade awning, so you can fish in the shade or sun out if that's what you want to do. Your storage on the hardtop for your life jackets or whatever you want to put up there. You've got the nice bolstered seats. You can either sit on the seat, you can sit up on the bolster like so, or you can flip the bolster down. And then you've got a footrest right here. So you're comfortable in any position. Tilt wheel, the dive platform lockout so you can't accidentally start the boat while that thing is open in case somebody's in the water. A Raymarine fish finder / GPS, which is a hybrid touch model. You have the Fusion stereo. Of course, it's Bluetooth. You have speakers throughout the boat. You've also got the Mercury vessel view gauges, the trolling mode features, all your live well washdown, all those controls are right here. You've got your digital throttle shifter with your dock and throttle only to lock out in neutral when you want to just idle the boat at a higher speed. Start and stop. Trim tab indicators and controllers. Going forward on the starboard side, you've got access to the console. Right now the console is full of seats, but the console carries a complete full head. Your battery switches, extra batteries, all that are located in this large, you can stand up in that area, console. Coming forward, you've got the, some people call this a coffin box. It's a large storage box. You can take this out and use this as a mount. Going forward, you've got 3 large storage boxes of fish. These are fish boxes. These are draining fish boxes. They drain overboard. If you're using the boat for cruising, then you have a lift up. Cushions that go on here, and now you have a backrest seat. Sorry. Safety rails all the way around. Access to your anchor forward. Another large storage forward. Of course, besides the Fusion controller being up forward, if you look at the hardware on all Boston whalers, look at the quality of the stainless steel, the armrest on this center section, the surrounds on your portholes, the cleats, all of it first class, heavy duty. Whalers are known for their endurance, their ride, their safety. They'll always get you back. They're the unsinkable legend. They're a great family boat, a great safe boat, and should give you years of enjoyment. Thank you for visiting today.